Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna show you everything that you need to know about interfaces in TypeScript. With interfaces, we can define the object properties. For example, I could make an interface user, and it could contain different properties. For example, it could contain a name, and I could define it to be a string. It can also contain an ID, that could be a number. Okay, so I made this interface. Now what I can do with it, I could create an object. I don't know, I'm gonna call it John. It is gonna be a user, and I am gonna tell the TypeScript that I want John to be a user, so it is gonna have all the properties that user interface does have. So I could type, for example, for the ID 1, and I could assign the name to be John. So as you could see, it already recognizes which types it should have. And if I would, for example, assign the ID to a string, it would give me an error. So that is pretty nice. What I can also do is I could create a function, for example, add user, and it could accept an user of type user, and I don't know, it could console.log the user.name. Now, okay, as you see, it already recognized what types does it have. So yeah, and I can call this function add user with John, and it is of course gonna work. I don't get any errors. But if I would, I don't know, pass a string John, it is gonna tell me that it is not of the type of user. What I could also do is make an object here, so I could assign the ID to 2 and name to Peter, I don't know, and it is gonna work too. So yeah, with interfaces we can define these kind of types.